So now we take the solution set for exercise 12. So the first sum is converting 90 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So we multiply it with 5 upon 18. So 18 ones are, 18 fives are. We get the answer 25 meter per second. Second one is converting 27 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So here too the method is same. You have to multiply by 5 upon 80. So the answer you get is 7.5. Third one is 315 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So here too we multiplied by 5 upon 80. The answer comes to as 87.5. The fourth one is 16.2 into 5 upon 80. So if for removing decimal you can do 162 upon 10 and then multiply both the fraction. Your answer comes to 4.5 meter per second. We just multiply by 18 upon 5 because here we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. The third question is a car travels a distance of 258 kilometers in 3 hours 35 minutes. What is the speed of the car? So 3 hours 35 minutes. First the formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. But here the time is 3 hours 35 minutes. So we take it as 3 hours and 35 minutes means 35 upon 60. So it's a mixed fraction. You convert it into an improper fraction which you get 215 upon 60 which is nothing but 43 upon 12. So now we keep it as a fraction only for easy solving. So now speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed is 258, time is 43 upon 12. So this becomes, here it is divided. So here it will become multiply, and when we divide, this becomes reciprocal. So this became 12 upon 43 which is nothing but 72 kilometer per hour. And the fourth sum is a train covers 14 kilometer in 8 minutes. What is the speed of the train? So again, speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is 14, time is 8 minutes. So that becomes 8 upon 60 hours. Because here since it is kilometer, so we need to find it in kilometer per hour. So 14 divided by 8 upon 60 which is nothing but 14 into 60 upon 8. So your answer is 105 kilometer per hour. Sum is a man can walk 8 kilometers in 1 hour 15 minutes. Find his speed. So again, speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is 8 kilometer, time is 1 hour 15 minutes. So it mixed fraction becomes 115 upon 60 as you have to convert 15 minutes into hour. So that becomes 60 plus 15 upon 60 which is nothing but 75 upon 60. When you reduce to the lowest term you get 5 upon 4. So now speed is distance upon time which is 8 upon 4 upon 5 which is nothing but 8 into 4 upon 5 which is 6.4 kilometer per hour. Now the sixth sum, it says Rahul cycles at 12 kilometer per hour. How much distance he covers in 36 minutes? So this also similar way. Since we want distance, we have to first see the unit. The speed unit is given kilometer per hour. So the time has to be in hours. So we convert 36 minutes into hour which is nothing but 36 upon 60 which is 3 upon 5. Now since speed is equal to distance upon time. So now when we need distance, this becomes speed, this time will go up. So speed into time. So which is 12 into 3 upon 5 which is 7.2 kilometer per hour. Sorry, distance is 7.2 kilometer. If the time would have been in seconds and the speed would have been in meter per second, your answer would have been in meters. But since here it is in kilometer per hour, the distance is 7.2 kilometers. So here we are solving the seventh sum where the speed is given in kilometer per hour and distance in meter. We have to find time. So we are converting 600 meter into kilometer, that is divided by 1000, so 3 upon 5. Now speed is distance upon time, so time is distance upon speed. which is 3 upon 5 divided by 4. So which is nothing but 3 upon 20. Now either you can directly simply divide, or I prefer making it a multiple of 10. So 20 into 5 is 100. So directly numerator and denominator we multiply by 5. So we get 15 upon 100. So that is nothing but 2 zeros. So 0.15 hours. Now if you want to convert this into minutes, you multiply by 60. So the answer is 9 minutes. To find the distance where the speed is 45 km per hour and time is 8 seconds. So here it is easier first to convert this, because we need either to convert this into meter per second or this into hours. So here we convert 45 into 5 upon 80. 9 2s are 9 5s are. So we get 25 upon 2. So this is 25 upon 2 meter per second. So now speed is equal to distance upon time. We need distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is what? 25 upon 2 into time is 8 seconds. So 2 1s are 2 4s are, which is equals to 100 meter.